my box. It's got my name on it. Give me my box. Leave it alone. You always trying to get in my videos.
Hi, this is Nina at ForeignMRE.com.
Hi, and this is Art with ForeignMRE.com. And I forgot something.
And today we have an unboxing. Yeah, the boxes may say Art Chapman, but he's not here now. I got two boxes. Let's open this one first. I'm getting better at that. Ooh, we got some more cardboard. What? Aw, man. We got boxes within boxes. No wonder he left. Okay. We know his first strike rations. Help! Help!
What do you need?
Help!
What do you need?
What are these dates?
Okay, the top one. Top one. The date is packaged 61st day of 2019 with an inspection date of March 2022.
Okay. That's what I said.
I know.
Scram.
What?
Scram. You know what? I'm gonna put. Help!
Look. How are you going to be an unboxer?
Jeez Louise.
These are some tough boxes.
Yeah.
Hold the box down.
Okay. Oh, jeez.
Don't call me anymore.
Okay. Let's see. What do we have? We have some first strike rations, menus 1 through 9. This one's a menu 4. And I'm not going to go through the trouble of opening that other box, but you guys get the idea. So we have 2 cases of first strike rations. They'll be on the website soon. Now this one, it says, open carefully, tightly packed. And the post office wasn't nice to this box. Let's see. Very careful. Huh. A gift from the people. Help! Help!
What? What's the matter?
What the heck? What is this?
These are humanitarian rations.
Food gift from the people of the United States of America?
Yes, these are supposed to be produced in 2010.
Food gift.
This is menu number 3, menu number 5.
I've never seen these before.
I've never had these before.
They don't say anything on them. You got one for me and one for you?
Sure, you can eat it.
No, probably not.
Well, this will be the next review. It's pretty heavy too.
Are these like the US MREs or what?
Yes. I don't think these contain any meat because these are for all over the world.
Oh, okay.
My understanding, made by the War Company.
Okay, well, the first strike rations will be on the website, and these food gifts will not be on the
Spit it out.
and the food gifts will not be on the website.
What will they be?
You're going to review one.
And you're going to review one.
I'm going to review one.
Okay.
And as always, you can get your fresh discounted ration. You can't get these gift rations, but you can get some First Strikes and some other American rations and a few foreign components left at ForeignMRE.com. Ooh, brown bag. Thanks for watching.